In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Dhgate account 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start the deletion process, how to contact support if needed, and what to expect while you wait for confirmation. First, open your browser and go to dhgate.com. Sign in to your account using your usual login details. If you use two-step verification, have your device handy. Before moving forward, it helps to make sure any orders, disputes, or refunds are fully resolved. Account deletion is much smoother when nothing is pending. Next, an optional but helpful step is to use DHgate's live chat. Scroll to the bottom of the site and open the Help Center or Customer Service page. From there, choose Live Chat or Online Service. When the chat opens, simply state that you want to delete your account. The system may give you the exact support channel to use, and sometimes it provides a specific support email address based on your region or account status. Follow any guidance you receive there. If they ask whether you have open orders or disputes, confirm that everything has been closed. Now send your official account deletion request by email. Open the inbox that's registered to your DHgate account and compose a new message to the official DHgate support address provided in live chat or listed on their website. Use a clear subject line like request to delete DHgate account. In the body, state that you want your account permanently deleted because you no longer plan to use it. Include the email associated with your DHgate account so they can locate it, and note that all orders and disputes have been closed. Politely ask for the account to be removed permanently and thank them for their assistance. When you're done, send the email and keep a copy of what you wrote. After that, wait for confirmation. DHgate typically replies within 1 to 3 business days, but response and processing times can vary. It's common for support to ask you to confirm your request a second time for security reasons, so watch your inbox and check your spam or junk folder as well. Once they confirm, they'll proceed with processing the deletion and let you know when it's complete. That's the full process. Log in. Optionally check with live chat for guidance, send the deletion email from your registered inbox, and wait for the confirmation steps to finish. If you don't hear back in a few days, reply to the same email thread or revisit live chat to follow up. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your account deletion.